Alright, hello everybody. Welcome to another car wash video. Today we are at a BP station at the corner of East 53rd Street and Corporate Park Drive here in Davenport, Iowa. They're advertising a brand new car wash, despite the fact that this place has been around for a very long time. Over there is the Cinemark movie theater. They have brand new seating, luxury lounger. It is so comfy, probably the best movie theater seating I've ever had there. And we saw Star Wars there a couple weeks ago, The Last Jedi, so we're going to take a look-see at this brand new car wash. There had to be another system here before this one. So it looks like we have the platinum for...
Or touch the enter code button to enter your code.
So it looks like we have the platinum for 10, gold for 9, silver for 8, bronze for 7. I'm going to go ahead and get the 10.
Please insert payment now.
Alrighty. I'm wondering if this is owned by the same BP franchise that owns the one in East Moline. Let's see if this one will take my credit card.
Please wait. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wall.
Well, that is one fast door, and it looks like I think this is a Ryko Radius. Yeah, look, it is a Ryko Radius. How about that? It must be owned by the same one in East Moline that has the Monarch II. Might have been a Monarch II in this bay originally. Who knows? Right now we're getting the Undercarriage blasters. Really powerful blasters. Really nice, really nice. Got a blaster timer here. This is a nice bay, though. Look at the size of this bay. So it's a Ryko Radius, apparently a brand new one. Now that was the door that just went down. I've always wanted to film a Radius. Ryko. Doing a double pass of pre-soak. Very nice coating of pre-soak. Probably the best one I've ever seen in a while. This is like the 2nd Street car wash video of a relatively new car wash. I just filmed another car wash in Moline last week that literally just opened up like last week. So, this is a really good coverage. Look at this. I really like this coverage. Double pass of pre-soak. Wow. We're getting another pass. Very solid. It really reminds me of the Laser Wash 4000. Place has been around for ages, by the way, so this old gas station, this car wash bay has been around for a while, so there had to been an old system in here before this thing was put in. I think it was soaking. Now we're doing our high pressure rinse. It says high impact up there. Double pass on the front. Really good pressure. So there's high impact wash up there. Let's try cleaning. It was doing a double pass on the back. Let's try cleaning the Try cleaning the wipers. It rained a lot yesterday, and we have a lot of melting snow. And now, what are we doing now? Tri-foam time. Wow, really good coverage. That's actually way better than the laser washer in Rock Island. Really good car wash. It's rinsing. Alrighty, what are we doing? Alrighty. And now it does rinsing up there. Still, what are we doing? Oh wow, a lava effect. Surface sealant. This is actually a first for an in-bay system for me. And with some light effects going on here. Alrighty, and interesting. Now it says we're rinsing, just a rinse. Still says we're rinsing. And here's our clear coat sealant. That's a lot of passes without the arm. Now it says spot free rinse. Okay, now the dryers are starting up. Yeah, we got a Thrust Pro dryer. Let's see. The one in East Moline did excellent here. Alright. Exit slowly. Let's see. Do not back up. You know, someone must have had to do that for that to be printed on there. And so far doing a good job. Missed a splotch on the windshield. Wow, these are excellent dryers. Wow. I think I'm out of the dryers now. Wow, that was actually a really good car wash. What a beautiful car wash and a beautiful gas station. Like I said, this place has been around for a while, so that system is definitely not original. It's definitely not original. Well, anyway, better get back on 53rd Street so I can hit the interstate. Over there is Bed Bath & Beyond and Michael's. And here's Books A Million. That used to be Borders. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I actually need to be in this lane. Actually, I'm not going over quite yet. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed that video. There's Texas Roadhouse down there in Red Robin. That'll be it.